0FXB, just a quickie. Got lots of my gadgets here. So here's a couple of jumbo hotspots. There's one that's assembled with a OLED screen.
Disconnected.
Here is just a Pi 0, but I've got an adapter on the bottom that allows you to have a normal USB connector, and that works great. And it costs all this is inexpensive. An MMDVM Pi hat, the top bit of this is £15, and then about £4 more, maybe £5 more if you want the OLED screen. Anyway, the point of this video is I've got my Hubnet going on my Anytone 878. So I want to show you that you can have Hubnet on the B band. Let's say it could be A or B. But I will say that an Anytone 878 will only receive one at a time. Although A and B do work and it will monitor dual watch simultaneously, one will only be heard at one time. So I just want to show you on the B band here, if I key up, if you look at my node, it's on receive at the moment, the blue. When I key up, you'll see it will go into transmit. M0FXB test. See that? So that you heard the beeps. So right. So now, if you look here, down here on the next to your screen, which is on the Raspberry Pi 3B using the Pi-Star system, if I flick the zone on the A band, now to get to the A band you hit P2, and so if I go down to talk group 91,
nothing more digital voice.
Yeah.
Then
He's not got a great connection, but he's
very good you audio. But you Kilo Italy 5 November.
Now you can see it's working fine. He's coming through on the A band, yeah, and he's on my next to screen, and there's the Pi doing its work. So, and you can hear him clear. Now, if Allstar came into action now, you wouldn't hear Allstar whilst Talk Group 91 is talking. So what I do is, if I want to make sure I do hear Allstar, I go to the flat line here at the top and I'll click out of that zone. So it's put me onto a completely different zone now. And so now if I go to P2 to go onto the B zone, yeah, then I will now, if someone talks on Allstar on my node here, and I definitely recommend you get one of these nodes made by G7RPG, because they are plug and go, and they just connect you to the node system, which looks like this, just so you know. And you can click around and select where you want to go, and there's hundreds and hundreds of different places you can go. Allstar system is basically linking repeaters, gateways, and nodes of ham radio operators all around the world. It's very successful, and you can use an FM radio. That's what I love about it. But anyway, back to the Anytone 878. So let's see if we can get a test, a quick audio test, and then we'll end the video. We get on to make sure we're on the B band. And just so you know, if you want to go simplex on this, hold down the P2, sub-channel off it says, and now you're receiving just A or B. So there's my Allstar node. Someone just keyed. That's the volume. So if I hit P2 again, look, straight to, if I go down to Talk Group 91, look, see that? That's Talk Group 91. Now if I hit P2 again, we've gone to the A band, and that's my Allstar node, and I'm going to call through now for an audio check. Mike 0 Fox X-Ray Bravo, calling for an audio check. And the people that are hearing me when I call out on Allstar Hubnet,
Audio fine, clean green, 5 and 9.
these are FM operators most of the time. I mean, there is digital going in. They're normal repeaters, so it will sound like talking to your repeater. Roger, yeah, thanks very much, 73 M0FXB. So there you go, hope this helps. M0FXB, 73.